Check 1, 2. All right. If this was just about budget cuts, I think we should all still be out here politely protesting and maybe going down to the state and saying, more funding is necessary for the university here. But it's not. The Center for Judaic and Holocaust Studies is an endowed program. The other cuts that are being made coincide with a call for an increase to the athletic budget. It already loses money. They want to build a new Kilcawley Center there, even though it seems to be doing all right. So it really calls into question what is the point of this university to this administration. Are we here just for the glory days of 90s football championships and maybe some real estate deals for some overpriced apartments to put on student loans for students? Or are we here for an actual university? The city of Youngstown, the people of Youngstown started all this up in 1908, and generations of both Youngstowners and people from all over the world have come here for an education, and I think we need to continue that. And